In this video, we'll cover the best folding bike to buy in 2022. We included the pros and cons of each product, so you can decide before buying the best one. Coming in number 5 of Best Folding Bike 2022 is Xspec 20-inch. The favorite commuter. This Xspec folding bike folds away in seconds and can easily be stored under a desk, on public transport, in the trunk of a car, and at home. It comes equipped with 20-inch wheels, 8-speed rear derailleur, a rear rack, and alloy wheels. One thing we really liked was the comfortable seat, which made longer commutes effortless. As with most bikes, it comes boxed, and you will need to assemble it yourself. We found this to be pretty straightforward with only a few adjustments required on the brakes and gears. At number 4. Schwinn Loop. Great value. The Zizzo Via is an exceptional bike which features a lightweight aluminum frame, 7-speed Shimano rear derailleur, and folds away in seconds. A great all-rounder which is extremely hard to beat for the price. The Schwinn Loop has consistently ranked as the best folding bike under $300 for several years now, and with good reason. Schwinn is a reputable bike builder who is renowned for building quality bikes, and being able to purchase one of their bikes for such a cheap price is awesome. Noteworthy features include 20-inch wheels, a 7-speed Shimano grip shift, and a super useful built-in rear rack carrier. We would have liked to have seen an adjustable handlebar height option, but at this price, it's not a deal breaker. At number 3. Xspec 26-inch. Folding mountain bike. A great entry-level folding mountain bike which does the job well, not exceptionally well, but good enough. The Xspec performed well both off-road and for urban riding. If you're searching for an entry-level folding mountain bike, then look no further than the Xspec 21-speed folding MTB. Equipped with 26-inch wheels, powerful hydraulic disc brakes, and Shimano components, the Xspec offers exceptional value for money. At number 2. Heybike Mars. Best electric folding bike. Fun, easy, great new design. The perfect electric folding bike for city riding, and using on gravel road tracks, thanks to the 4-inch fat tires which make the Heybike so comfortable to ride. The Heybike Mars electric folding bike boasts a remarkable 500 watts motor, so you can easily tackle almost any terrain. Other noteworthy features of this e-bike include the 20 inches by 4 inches puncture-resistant fat tires, 7-speed Shimano drivetrain, dual shock absorbers, and 3 working modes. The Heybike Mars can travel up to 37 miles unassisted, and is suitable for people between 5 feet 2 inches and 6 feet 5 inches in height. At number 1 of the top 5 best folding bike 2022 is Xspec. Best overall. The Xspec is an exceptional bike that features a lightweight aluminum frame, 7-speed Shimano rear derailleur, and folds away in seconds. A great all-rounder which is extremely hard to beat for the price. The first thing we noticed while testing the Xspec was how fast it felt. This is thanks to the aluminum frame and choice of components which all up weigh around 26.5 pounds. One other thing we loved was the fact that it's suitable for riders from 4 feet 8 inches through to 6 feet 3 inches, meaning the whole family could make use of it. Other notable features include a 7-speed Shimano drivetrain, 20-inch wheels, powerful V-brakes, and a convenient folding mechanism that allows you to fold the Xspec away in under 15 seconds. There were a few small things which we didn't like, such as the saddle wasn't very padded, and we would prefer an adjustable handlebar stem. Not deal breakers, however. We would recommend upgrading the saddle for maximum comfort. Thank you for watching the top 5 best folding bike 2022, and we hope you enjoyed our folding bike buying guide. If you have decided to buy the best one, please look at the description below to get further product information.